Hello, welcome back to Cussion Reve. This channel is teaching you how to make restaurant quality dishes at home easily. And if you are interested in this kind of information, please like and subscribe our channel. And today we'll be making a vegan salad, capsicum salad with salsa verde. First things first, we need to roast some bell pepper. Drizzle it with some olive oil, rub it through. And we are ready to roast them inside the oven at 190 for 30 minutes. And we'll be back in 30 minutes. While our capsicum is roasting, we'll make a salsa verde for the sauce. We need to pick some parsley. After picking our parsley, we'll need to roughly chop it. And we need some thyme leaves. Roughly chop it with some garlic. Next, we're going to season with salt and pepper, olive oil, some lemon juice, lemon zest, and some red wine vinegar. Just a little splash of lemon juice. And we'll mix in our olive oil. And set it inside the fridge and get ready to use. And we'll be back when the capsicum is finished and we're going to move on to our decorations. While our peppers are roasting, we'll start to make our lemon gel. To make the lemon gel is quite simple. We'll need half juice of a lemon. Take out any seed. And we'll need the same amount of water. A drizzle of honey. Bring it to a boil. Then whisk in our agar-agar. After it's melted, set it aside. And let it set up. After it's set up, we'll pass through a sieve and blend it till it's smooth before adding inside our squeezing bottle. And we'll be back after it's set. Now, we finished all our preppings for capsicum salad and we can start to do the last step. It's our lemon jello. To make the lemon gel, we need to pass it through a really fine sieve. If you want it extra silky smooth, you can also add it inside a blender to blend it through. And let's go back to our capsicum. It's been roasted inside the oven for half an hour. And you can take out the skin easily. Take away the seed and dry it on a towel. After cleaning, up all the seed and the skin, we'll need to cut it into equal size. Now we have 5 slices of capsicum and we are ready to plate. I'm doing a good presentation for you guys. When you guys are cooking at home, you don't need to waste a lot of things. And we will eat it after we finish taking the video. To plate up the dish, we need to put our capsicum. Then our Salsa Verde. Some yogurt. Lemon gel, some shots of Parmesan, lastly our microgreens just to decorate. And here we have our capsicum salad. This salad is so easy to make, takes you around 45 minutes, and it's just so suitable for your summer holidays. It's just so refreshing and can chill out your warm temperature. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe and follow our YouTube channel. And don't forget to click on the little bell next to it to get a first-hand information when a new video is posted. And I'll see you next time.